Good morning guys. Ito pong inyong likod again, as the rider with my baby. Ito po ang aming day 2 dito sa Baguio City. At naka-check-in kami dito sa Ion Hotel dito sa Ligarda. So guys, no, hindi na kami alis kagabi gawa ng napagod na ako, so nagpahinga na lang kami. So today gagalawit kami. Pupunta kami sa Camp John Hay at magre-record ng video activity ito sa aking baby. Ang kanyang uniform ay si Harry Potter. Yun ang kanyang character na ipoportray para sa school activity niya. Guys, no? Layo pa ng lugar na pag-recordan niya. Sa Camp John Hay pa.
Daddy, I thought we've been here for one day only.
Tomorrow we'll go. Supposed to be 4 days, but
we have school.
Yes, we have to go back after
We have school
tomorrow.
we have school at Tuesday.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Sayang na. Ito yung aming room. Ito yung baby. Si Harry Potter. Baby Potter. Dala pa niya yung, lagay niya dala yung favorite niyang pastillas from Iba Sambales. So guys, no? At inantay lang namin si Commander Chief. CR pa siya ako. Alis na rin kami.
Hello.
Guys, na punta na kami daan sa Camp John Hay with Baby Potter.
I'm not baby
and
Potter.
ate.
Okay, think I'm a baby.
Iyon na naman si Mami.
Tagal na. Magnificent.
Yeah.
Daddy, stop it.
So guys, ito, dito na kami sa Camp John Hay. Ayan. Dami tao. So, ito na kami. Ganyan sila, oh. Yung mga kids. Gumagawa na sila ng video.
I'm done.
Hello.
I'm done.
Tapos na si... Anong name mo? Pinaportray mo na name?
Baby hair boy.
Baby Hermione. Siya si Baby Hermione sa Harry Potter the Movie. Ito yung costume niya. Nandito kami sa Camp John Hay with ate. Nire-review na lang ni Mami yung video. Lapit ka rito. Ano? Ano yung may tunog yung ano ma? May tunog? Oy! So pa nga! Oy, ang galing ah. May tunog ah.
I hit the camera.
Ikaw si Hermione.
Daddy, Hermione actually has red curly hair, but I don't have curly hair.
Hindi ka na magpa-car lang hair.
But when I got picked for the finals, I have to curl my hair.
Huh? Ka-curl pa?
Yeah, Hermione has curly hair.
Ka-curl pa yung hair mo pag finals. Ito lang muna kami. Maaga pa. So, ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Camp John. So, nakapag-park naman kami doon sa baba. Dito, pwede rin mag-camping. May mga camping site dyan.
Hermione looks like.
So guys, dito kami sa Butterfly Sanctuary.
There's so many butterflies.
Go, go, go. So many butterflies, oh. Wow. Everywhere there's a butterfly. Come, ikot ka
A while ago, there was 2 butterflies on Mommy's shoulder.
Oh yeah. Ganda, oh. Iba-iba silang klase na. Ganyan, oh, may orange, may black, may white.
There's a black butterfly. What?
Dami, oh. Iba-iba. Kumuha sila ng nectar. Ayan guys, nakakulong tong lugar na to eh, para hindi lumabas yung mga butterfly. Kaya ito guys. Palipad-lipad lang sila dyan sa loob. May ibang klase. Kaya pag meron kayong mga kids, perfect na perfect to para sa mga kids. Gusto nila yan. Kaya dalhin nyo rito guys. Yan. Hindi sila mailap basta dahan-dahan yung huwag bigla. Yung paggalaw mo. Ito nakadako lang guys. Ayaw niya nang lumipad. Napagod na sigurong kalilipad. Pagod na siyang kalilipad guys. Ayaw niya nang lumipad yung malaki. Yes?
Mom, I found an injured butterfly.
Where?
I tried touching it, but it doesn't want to fly.
Meron din doon yung malaki. Ganyan din yung kulay niya. Hindi sila lumilipad.
Is it injured?
No, nagre-rest lang siguro yan.
It's like her leg is flat.
Ngayon, lumipad na oh. Inanap niya yung kasama niya. O, diba?
It's so beautiful here.
Gusto mo dito?
Yeah.
Ah, it's very nice
A
here.
while ago, there was a butterfly on Mommy's head.
Dinapuan siya.
tubig.
Pollination.
Pollination.
Alam mo ba yun?
Yeah.
Ano yun?
They're getting pollen.
Nice.
He keeps switching every flower.
Oh, nagkukuha sila ng nectar. Kaya sila lipad ng lipad. From one flower to another. Every day, ganyan lang yung ginagawa nila. Tapos merong maliit.
Daddy,
Yes?
I did this and the butterfly went to my hand. I did this and the butterfly went to my hand.
Hmm.
This one's resting.
Yan, oh.
Ah! This one.
Di ba?
When there's something staying still, they fly on it. Mommy. Mommy, there's a butterfly in my head. Mommy! There's a butterfly in my head. Mommy.
Kagada lang.
Daddy? Daddy? Daddy?
Sa ulo ko din meron.
Pero masakit. Mukha daw halaman yung
Daddy? Get off my head, I hate it. Just the fire.
Dapo na sila ng dapo sa. Ayan, dami guys, oh. Lipad ng lipad.
It's so pretty. There's a big one. Pollination. Daddy, you should not disturb butterflies when they're getting pollen. Looks like a moth.
Okay na?
Daddy, there's a blue one.
Turo mo.
Nawa.
Lumipad.
We are waiting for Daddy to be finished in the bathroom. Mommy.
Tapos na kami sa bata.
And Ate is doing her own thing. Here's Daddy. Daddy. We're done in the butterflies.
Dami ka nakitang butterfly ba?
Yeah, and there was a butterfly on my head.
Kasi, ito na yung suro. Ano ito? Sakit.
It's like so windy now. Mommy, where we gonna eat lunch?
Hanap tayo dyan.
We're just gonna eat lunch. We're just gonna find somewhere to eat. We are going to find somewhere to eat.
Ito kami, lakad-lakad muna kami sa Camp John Hay.
We didn't eat lunch yet.
12 na, pero parang hindi 12.
That is 12 o'clock.
Yes. Hello guys, dito kami sa Christmas Village dito sa Camp John Hay. So maaga kami rito, no?
The soldiers are actually the main.
Past 3. So pinili namin, bumili kami ng ticket. Pinili namin yung PM para hanggang mamaya siyang dilim. Ayan. So dito yung waiting area. Ayan. Marami nag-aantay guys. Dun, bilihan. Baguio Country Club Christmas Village. Tabi lang siya ng Camp John Higgins. So yung adult entrance fee
150
150 yung adult, 100 yung
kids.
kids.
Pag PM, pag sa day,
So kailangan guys, maaga kayo rito. Kung kayo darating dito yung gabi na, kasi sobrang dami ng tao rito guys. Ang pila rito mahaba, tapos walang parking area. So, kung may plano kayong pumunta dito sa Christmas Village, kailangan maaga kayo guys. So guys, ito yung ticket guys.
Beya o nabagsakan kaya no, dito ko lang pa.
150 sa bata.
Yeah!
100. So yun guys, yun yung ating update for now. See you later. Update guys, pila.
Hello! I have a ticket.
Ayan guys, hanggang dulo yan.
The line is so long.
Yung mga pang PM. Kaya pag pumunta kayo dito sa gabi, wala na. Alas 4, start na. Guys. Dito eh.
Dalawang linya pa yung
Pambili.
Dito na. Ano po?
So guys, ito yung tsura sa loob. Ayan, magbubula-bula. So guys, ito yung Christmas Village. Sabon eh. Sabi mo snow.
Ay, Beya!
So guys, no, pag pumunta kayo dito, talagang sulit naman yung paghihintay dahil maganda naman yung ambience sa loob. Tsaka pag may makasama kayong bata, tuwan-tuwa yan sigurado. Ito Christmas feels guys. May mga lumilipad-lipad na puti. So yun yung laro na sa bubble. Open ba yan? Uy! Linis na yung room. Nilinis na nila. Linis na nga. May bago na naman silang guguluhin ah. Afternoon bagya.
Daddy, have you removed
Zipper lang. Yung zipper lang ang binubuksan niya. Yan guys. Bumalik muna kami rito. At mamaya, mahirap na mag-park dun sa baba.
I'm gonna wash my face. Mommy, can I wash my face? Can I wash my face, wash my hands, and toothbrush?
Dura mo yung Jasmine.
Daddy, I'm gonna wash my face.
Mag-rest lang konti. Mag-rest lang kami konti guys. Tapos, diretso na kami sa Burnham Park. Kasi dito lang yung Bryce. Sa baba lang yun. Lalakad na lang.